Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to remove files or folders from DBFS. So in this video we'll see three topics mainly. One is how to remove using dbutils.fs.remove function. One more is how to create folders or directors and how to create data like or how to uh, put the file in our DBFS. So first thing is how to delete files from DBFS, or you can say Databricks file system. So this normally we can remove files, folder, either files or folder from a DBFS. Okay, so if a file is specified, then the recurse parameter is ignored. So this will discuss below what is recurse. Okay, so first topic we'll see how to remove either file or folder from DBFS. So in this we are going to cover first thing is how to remove files. Second one is how to remove folders. Third one, how to remove checkpoints. Fourth one is how to create folder, then how to remove those folders. So second topic is how to create directories. And third one is how to create files. So first we'll see syntax. What is the syntax for removing the file or folder? So dbutils.fs.rm. rm means remove, and inside this you can mention the path. So see in DBFS, this is the standard format, file store, tables. So there I have one CSV file, this one, I want to remove this CSV file. So this is the syntax. And similar way, this same thing will come. Additionally, I'm mentioning recurse equal to false. So recurse equal to false, this is the default condition. If it is false, no, then no need to mention. Just for syntax, I mentioned. If you are going to keep true, then only you can mention it. Otherwise, no need to mention. This is syntax is fine. And the third way is you can write like %fs rm minus r, and you can mention the path. So third one is same thing. Instead of file, you can mention folder. So here %fs is the magic command to use in DB utilities. Rm is remove command. Minus R is recursive flag to delete the directory and all its contents. Okay, so we'll see what is recursive in further below. So first, we can use this dbutils.fs.help. Help on which one? I need on remove rm. If you run this one, it will print this information. So not only for rm, so if for any per function, no, you can mention here. For remove, I mentioned rm. If you want for copy, you can mention cp. And if you want for make directory, you can mention this one, make dirs. If you want for put, you can mention like this. Suppose if I run for these two to show how it will display. See, for put, I want to display the help. See, it displaying the syntax. Mainly, one is syntax, and it explain about this put function. See here, they given some example how to use put. Okay, so first one is the path, third one is the message and true condition. And see here, this is the syntax. Okay, this is one more example. Similar way, you can try for make directory also. mkdirs. So you can get help for any function. Okay. So here also see they given some example how to use this make directory. This is the path, and this is one example, and here they defined about parameters. Okay, so this is one thing, how to get help on function. And second thing is to check the existence or deletion of a file before applying this remove function. No, before applying this remove function, we want to check whether files is available or not. Okay, so for that we can follow three methods. One is %fs ls file store tables. So before that, you can use this one %fs ls %fs ls. It will list down all the directories. See it listing down all the directories. Okay, so in this, I am interested in this file store. Okay, and we have Databricks, data sets, many are there, but currently I'm interested in this. So you can double click here, double click and Control C, copy, and you can run in new cell or same cell also you can run. So what you can enter here, %fs ls and paste it. So whatever you copied here, you paste it. So it will list down further next level directories. So in this, I'm interested in this tables. Just copy and see whatever I pasted here, no, this one. See here, either you can paste, 1 minute. See, this is the path. So either you can, whatever you copied, you can directly paste here, or you can remove this up to here. So both will work. See, both will work, and both gives same output. So you can follow either of the method. See, if you see in DBFS under file store tables, so we have these many files. See, these files all are by updated from our side. That means from catalog. So in catalog DBFS, I uploaded all these files. So it will list down whatever I uploaded, all these files. Okay, so you can similar way double click it and you can copy the path. So main intention is to list down the all the available data sets and to copy the path. So this is first one. Whatever here we mentioned three ways. No, in this first method is this one to check the file existence. Okay, so here all the files are there. No, so you can verify. So which file path you want to copy. So that is one way. Second way is we can read the file. So this is see from here we are getting the path. Next we can read this file. So you can paste that path here, then you can try to read. So if it can able to read the file, then file is available and it is valid. If it throwing some error, then file is not available. So third option is checking through catalog. So here catalog and go to DBFS and file store, and in tables we have these many things. Okay, so in this we have, so I want to check this one, market price underscore 1. So you can calm down, see here. Okay, so this way also you can check. So if you want to copy the path from here, you just click on copy path and copy this one, first one. Okay, and these are the three ways to check whether file is existence or deletion. It is deleted. Okay, so next we'll jump on to, yeah. See, if you see here, dbutils.fs. See, this is one way to list down the files, and second method is either you can check with this directly. If you check with this, it will list down in normal way. See, it will list down in normal way in the list format. See, it started with square bracket, no? Started with square bracket and ended with square bracket. This one. Yeah, this one. So if you use this way, dbutils.fs.ls and path, it will list down in list format. And if you use display on top of that, then this whole thing will display in tabular format. Okay, this is the difference. So next, see same thing. I used %fs ls and path. So here I checked up to tables. So under tables, I want to check this temp data. Okay, so I have, you can check here, we'll be having folder temp data. See this one. So I copied this path from here and I pasted here. So under this temp data, it will list down what are the files available. So either you can go here or you can go this catalog. Okay, DBFS and temp data, this one. And you can copy this path. Okay, so both are same method. So here mainly two things, so don't get confused. So we are using two methods. One is %fs ls, then path. This is one method. Second method is dbutils.fs.ls, then path. So this is normal syntax. This is we'll call as magic command. So here difference is %fs. This is dbutils. Okay, instead of dbutils, we are mentioning here %fs. So this will call as magic command. Okay, so these two differences just keep in mind. So now we'll jump onto our main topic, how to remove files. So this is our syntax. Okay, so we can write it either of these three format. So normally we'll follow these first two things. So first one is for deleting the file. See under this tables directory, I am directly mentioning file path, CSV file path. So what it does is it will go to this folder structure, file store, tables. Under tables, this CSV file it will remove. This is for single file. Suppose you have one folder and under that folder we have some files. So you want to delete that entire folder. So then what you can do is you can mention up to here tables. Later you can mention folder. Okay, so that we'll discuss in below. First we'll concentrate on files. Okay, so here one way is directly mentioned file, CSV file. Second method is mentioning the CSV file, and on top of that mentioning recurse equal to false. Okay, so normally this is no need to mention because this is a default condition. If you don't mention also, it will consider as recurse equal to false. Okay, so recurse equal to false means it won't consider, suppose in case if you give here folder name instead of file, you give folder name and you given recurse equal to false, then it won't delete entire folder. Okay, so that is the meaning. So third method is you can use this magic command using %fs, and instead of rm, no, you mention rm -r and this file path. So these are the three different ways you can follow. So first we'll see how to remove single file. So suppose I have files, file store underscore tables. I have this market price, this CSV file I have. See, before removing this syntax, see, I run this one, this particular CSV file, and I given header equal to true, info schema equal to true. See, it giving, yeah, if I try to display this, see. So this CSV file, no, it is displaying. So now file is available. So now what I will do, I will use this dbutils.fs.remove and I will mention this CSV file path. If I try to run this one, see here it mentioning true. True means it deleted. If it is coming false means file is not available. Okay, so it giving true, but if you want to cross verify, try to run this cell again. See now this file is not available. It will throw error here. Okay, so path does not exist. So this is one method. Third method is you can check through catalog where underscore where under file store tables. If you go to DBFS file store tables. See now market price. See market price underscore one dot CSV. See it got deleted. So now it is not available. Okay. So this is a way of how to delete single file. Suppose I want to delete multiple files at a time. Okay, so what I did is I return this function multiple times dbutils.fs.rm and I mention different files I want to delete. See, this is one file, this is one file. Okay, so total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files I want to delete it. If I try to run this, see true. True means now these all these files got deleted. And you can cross verify either reading the file like this or you can go to catalog, can go to file store tables and what are the files we deleted. DBFS file store tables. First one is running data underscore CSV. Yeah, so running data underscore CSV. So we have other file. So whatever existing file it deleted. So similarly, you can say try for this. Suppose struct type 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you go and check, see 1, 2, 3 got deleted. So initially I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have. So first 1, 2, 3 it got deleted. So like this, you can check this also. So all these files got deleted. Next, we'll see how to check and delete files. Okay, so before deleting, we'll check. So how we'll check? So suppose I want to check this particular folder. So what I'm doing, I'm using display function, dbutils.fs.ls. It will list down all the files under this. So here we have one delta log file and we have one Parquet file. So similar way you can check through here also catalog, DBFS, user hive warehouse, user hive warehouse, and this is the folder we are checking. So under this folder, we have delta log and this Parquet file. Okay, so same thing you can check from here or through here. Okay, so first I check this folder, then what I'm doing, this particular folder I'm trying to remove. So under this folder, what we have these two folders. One is delta log and Parquet. Suppose if I don't use this recursive equal to true, then it won't delete this entire folder. Okay, so that's why I have to use the recursive equal to true. If I mention recursive equal to true, and if I try to run this, it will get true is not defined. Yeah, so we are getting true. So that means it deleted. Now if you try to run this one, so now folders are not there, no, it will throw error. Okay, so yeah, so we saw how to check and delete files. So next we'll see how to remove folder. So as of now, we saw how to remove files. Now we'll see how to remove folder. So what is the syntax? So everything is same. Only you need to mention recurse equal to true. So or you can simply write true. That also fine. Okay, both will work. So third one is this one, %fs rm minus r and path. Okay, so this syntax is remains same. So whatever initial we discussed. And example is, see, I have one temp folder under tables. You go here, file store, tables. I have temp folder. Under this, I have two folders and two files. If I try to run this, so you'll get to true. And if you try to check, the temp folder will get be deleted. It won't be available. See, we don't have temp folder. It got deleted. And I want to delete temp underscore data. I have one folder, and inside that I want to delete this particular folder. If you see here, temp data, file store, temp data. Under temp data, I have this folder. Only this folder I want to delete. Okay, so if I try to run this, see, it will generate true. So that means it got deleted. If you cross verify, DBFS, file store, tables, temp data, see, it got deleted. Now we have only one folder. Okay, so this is how we can delete folder. So third option is, see, we have our already folders and we are deleting. Suppose I want to keep one file inside DBFS, then I want to remove. So what I can do is I can use this put method, dbutils.fs.put method, and I have to mention the path and what is the file type, file name and type. If it is txt, we can mention txt. If it is csv, json, parquet, so we can mention respective type. And this data means this one. Okay, and true. So if you first will create the file, so file got created. So later you have some updates. Suppose if I try to run this one, so this particular hello.txt, this file will create under this path. Suppose if you go to catalog volumes, say volumes, main, default, my volume. So under this hello.txt file got created. So why we are giving true is, suppose I want to delete one row I want to delete. So this you can delete and you can run same cell. What it does is whatever hello.txt file is, it will get replaced. Or suppose if you want to add some more row. So either some few rows you want to add it. So you can add it here. Maybe suppose like /n. Okay, now one record got added. If you try to run, maybe before run, you will try to read this to see the difference. So this is my path. I'm mentioning header equal to true. First schema equal to true. And I'm displaying this. So initially I have records only up to here, 38. Admin India 38. Okay, so total how many we have? First one is Suresh Bangalore ADE, Suresh Bangalore ADE, and Sampath Bihar, Kishore, Bharani. So last one is Bharani. Okay. So yeah, this is our initial data set. So now how many records we have? 5. Now I will try to run this. Maybe I will add one more file here, one more record here. I will try to run this one. See, you can see this difference, bytes got increased. And if you try to run this, here it will add 2 more records. Okay, these 2 more records got added. So that is a function of this true. So now how to remove this file? See, I'm deleting entire volumes. I'm not deleting file here. You can try with the file also, but here I'm trying to remove this whole folder. From root folder itself, I'm trying to delete. So what it does is this whole thing will get deleted. See, if you see the syntax here, I mentioned the path, root directory path, and simply I given true. So here you can write either recurse equal to true or true. Just run this one and see it got true. And if you go to catalog, DBFS, and temp, see we have outside temp now. So now this is not available. So it got deleted. So third one is how to remove checkpoint. See, if you already working or going to work on structured streaming projects, then you will get idea. So what is this checkpoint? So this checkpoint, it is similar to like cache and persist. In Spark concept, no, we have cache and persist, no. Similar thing. Similar thing. This is checkpoint. This will use in structured streaming project for avoiding fault tolerance. So for this, what I'm doing, I created one sample data frame, and so this is the syntax to read the file. So normally we'll write only read, but since it is streaming, we have to use read stream. Okay. So next, after reading, I want to write into target. So here difference is write stream, and one more difference is this one option, checkpoint location, checkpoint. What is this checkpoint? This is the location. So this particular path, I want to keep all these checkpoint location folders. Okay, so this is for fault tolerance. So now this, don't get confused. I will make one separate video about this structured streaming, how it works and how to use this. What is the purpose of this checkpoint location? Now we'll concentrate only on how to remove this checkpoint. Okay, so now this particular path, this checkpoint is created now. Okay, so now I want to delete the checkpoint folder. So I'm using dbutils.fs.remove this checkpoint. Checkpoint means it will go to this particular path. Okay, so since I'm given true, it will delete entire folder. So if you go here, file store tables, streaming checkpoint, catalog, file store, tables, streaming checkpoint. See, I have these many folders, no? So if I try to execute this one, checkpoint, okay, I think currently it is not created, I think, checkpoint. If you go here, file store, tables, streaming. Okay, so checkpoint folder is not created. So I'll try to run this one, then it will create. Yeah, so I'll do interrupt now. We'll check again here. File store, tables, streaming, checkpoint. Okay, what is checkpoint? Streaming, stream, right stream. Okay, so under this. So under this, checkpoint will create. So checkpoint means this one. Okay, see this Spark metadata is created. Okay, so this one I want to delete it. So normally under this checkpoint, so now here only metadata created, no? So normally it will create some 4 to 5 files. Okay, so in separate video I will show you those things. Now we'll see how to remove this folder. See if you try to run this one, recurse equal to true, and if you cross verify this one, file store, tables, streaming. See, this folder itself got deleted. Okay, so this is how you can use how to delete checkpoint. So third one is, final one is, we'll see how to create folder, then how to remove those folders. So for creating folders, I'm using this command, mkdirs, that means make directory. So what it does is it creates the given directory if it does not exist. Okay, so similar way you can check here like help. So initial, I already shown this one. And so here what I'm doing is I'm creating multiple folders. So before creating this, we have already few of the folders here. First, what I will do is I will try to remove this folders, then we'll create freshly and we'll see, we'll run it again one more time. So what I'm doing is I'm creating these many folders. See under tables, under streaming, so I created separate folders. For checkpoint, one folder, read stream, read files, one folder, for write stream, one folder. And again, for each format, each directory. Okay, now this one folder will get create. CSV, JSON, Parquet, ORC. So here 4 folders will get created. Here 4. Total 12 folders will get created. I'll try to run this one. True means folders got created. Now go to catalog, DBFS, file store, tables, streaming. See, I given 3 uh, main root folders. Stream checkpoint will have these 5 folders. See here, CSV, JSON, Parquet, ORC, Avro. See, for all three, all 3 main folders, you will find all 5 formats of files. See, currently I don't have any files under this. I just want to show how to create these folders and then how to remove these folders. For removing, I'm using fs.remove and I'm using same path. So whatever the path I given for creating the folder, same path I given here, and on top of that I given true because I want to remove these folders, okay, not files. So now what I'll do, I'll try to run this one. It will give you true. That means all folders got deleted. We'll verify once. File store, tables, under streaming. If you go stream checkpoint, see, under stream checkpoint, we have 5 formats, file formats, folders. CSV, JSON, Parquet, ORC, Avro. So these got deleted. Similar way under read stream also. Similar way under write stream also. Okay, so this we are not mentioned. So we'll try to remove this also. What I will do, dbutils.fs.remove, and I'm pasting the path, whatever I copied. On top of that, I'm mentioning true. I will try to run one more time. Maybe it will give false. Okay, it's giving true only. So if you go again, catalog, DBFS file store, tables, and you can go to streaming, checkpoint, see everything got deleted, restream deleted, write stream deleted. So now we mentioned this one, no? So that this folder also it got deleted. Okay, this is how you can use creating folders and removing folders. So that's all about this video. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.